Today is my first time using the all-new Greenstar 5 juicer. Celery juice is my favorite juice to make at home in my Greenstar juicer. So let's see how good the Greenstar 5 handles celery. So there's been some new design features with the Greenstar 5, which I'm really excited about. If you want to learn more about the new improvements, click on this video here where I explain it all in detail. So the Greenstar 5 features all stainless steel gears. So this is what's doing all the work in the juicer. So it's a twin gear masticating juicer. These gears feature bioceramic and magnetic technology, which is proven to keep the juice alive and fresher for longer. So when I make my celery juice, I only have to juice, once or twice a week, and then I store it in the fridge. I'll make 2 or 3 liters at a time. With an ordinary single auger style juicer, when you make celery juice, these strings of the celery, they get wrapped around the gears and they jam it up. But not with the Greenstar juicers. So these little teeth on the gears here will actually cut through these strings, so you're never gonna get your celery strings wrapped around it. Before I owned a Greenstar, I used to use a vertical single auger style juicer, and I'd constantly jam it up and I'd have to put it in reverse, forward, clean it. It was hard to make celery juice. I'd have to cut up the celery into little 1 to 2 centimeter pieces. Always make sure you align the gears with 1 red dot inside the other 2 dots on the other gear. And then I'll put my gears back into place. Let's give them a little bit of a twist and push them in. In they go. I'm using the fine juicing screen for my celery juice. Put on my outlet casing. I have this spring retention, this outlet adjusting knob, done up nice and tight when I make celery juice. Put on my safety hood. That's it. I'm going to turn it on and away we go. So first thing you'll notice is the Greenstar 5 is quieter than the previous models, which I like. I'm just going to start feeding in the celery. Just push it in with your fingers to there, and then I push it in with the plunger. I need a little bit of downward force to push my ingredients into the Greenstar. Celery is pretty easy. Carrot, beetroot, you're going to require a little bit more downward force. So we don't recommend the Greenstar juices for anyone with arthritis or weakness in their arms or hands. Even the celery leaves, doesn't matter. You can put them in as well. I like to put a little bit of apple in my celery juice. Straight celery juice, some people don't like the taste of, so put that little bit of apple in there. Just helps to sweeten it up a little bit. So now all your pulp is going to come out of this discharge right here. So you need to put a bowl or a container here just to catch that. And then your juice comes out directly underneath into this glass jug, which is included with your Greenstar juicer. So I probably made a little bit too much juice here. It's actually overflowing. Usually I wouldn't do that. But I wanted to show you this integrated drip tray, which is a new design. I'm just going to drink a little bit with a straw before I move it. Now you're going to notice with the Greenstar how dry the pulp is. So I've got a liter of fresh celery juice. I really enjoyed using the new Greenstar 5 juicer. I love that it's a little bit quieter. I love the new integrated drip tray. And also when we clean it, I'm hoping it's going to be a little bit easier to clean. And you can watch my cleaning video up here in a few weeks. Maximum you can do is 30-minute juice sessions, and then you just have to give the motor a rest for 10 minutes, and then you do another 30 minutes. That was probably only 5 to 8 minutes. So you'll notice the froth on top. That's pretty common whenever you're making a green juice. At home, I'll usually just scoop a little bit of that off with a spoon, or you can run this through the fine sieve if you want. Look at that beautiful color. That is nutrient dense goodness. Your body is absolutely gonna love you for drinking this, especially your stomach, your digestive system. So good for you. Great way to start the day. So if you've got any questions, please hit us up in the comments below. I'm gonna get drinking some fresh juice. Happy juicing.